In recent years, the concept of tiny house on wheels or THOWs has captured the imagination of those seeking a minimalist lifestyle, mobility, and sustainability. Among the many innovative designs emerging in the movement, the curved shell tiny house on wheels, constructed with high-tech glass materials, stand out as a futuristic and eye-catching option for modern living. The curved shell design brings both aesthetic and functional benefits. Its sleek aerodynamic shape not only adds a contemporary flair but also reduces wind resistance when the house is being transported. The smooth flowing lines create a sense of spaciousness, counteracting the traditionally cramped feel of tiny homes. Moreover, the use of high-tech glass materials takes this design to another level. Unlike ordinary glass, advanced smart glass or electrochromic glass can adjust its transparency based on light exposure or user control, allowing for optional privacy, heat regulation, and energy efficiency. And then, the benefits of such design are plentiful. Firstly, the extensive of use glass maximize natural light penetration, creating a bright and open atmosphere inside the small space. This reduces the need for artificial lighting during the day, contributing to lower energy consumption. Additionally, the smart glass can filter harmful UV rays and regulate indoor temperature, minimizing the reliance on air conditioning or heating system. The curved shell, coupled with high-tech glass, can also provide better insulation and soundproofing, enhancing comfort and reducing external noise. Another advantage is mobility. The aerodynamic design makes towing more efficient as it cuts down wind drag, potentially lowering fuel costs during transportation. This allows owners to move their homes more easily, supporting a nomadic lifestyle without compromising on style or comfort. However, despite its futuristic appeal, there are some drawbacks to consider. The primary concern is cost. High-tech glass material and custom curved shell construction can be significantly more expensive than traditional tiny house builds. This might place such design out of reach for those on a tight budget. Furthermore, while smart glass offers energy efficiency, it requires a reliable power source to operate its adjustable features, an aspect that could pose a challenge for those living off-grid. Maintenance is another factor. Glass surfaces, especially those used in curved designs, may require frequent cleaning to maintain their transparency and aesthetic appeal. Additionally, any damage to the specialized glass could be costly to repair or replace. In conclusion, curved shell tiny house on wheels with high-tech glass materials offer a striking blend of innovation, beauty, and functionality. They embrace natural light, optimizing energy use, and enhance mobility, making them a compelling choice for forward-thinking homeowners. Nevertheless, prospective buyers must weigh the higher cost and maintenance demands against the undeniable benefits of a sleek, futuristic dwelling. As technology advances, it is likely that such design will become more accessible, paving the way for a new era of sustainable and stylish mobile living.